my little loves. This is our first official vlog on our Orlando trip, our first Orlando trip of 2025, and we are here today to check out Blizzard Beach. We've actually had these tickets included in our stay because we're staying on property tonight, so we're going to head and check it out. Neither of us have been, so we're going to take you guys along, so let's go. So just quick, before we go in, just want to show you the prices. So 1 day water park entry, 10 and over, $74, 3 to 9, $68. 1 day water park ticket with block out dates, $64, $58.
So off peak 64 pretty much.
Yeah.
On peak 74.
Yeah. So that's pretty good. Okay, so obviously we are just winging this because we have never done a Disney water park. We're trying to find the towel rentals.
I'm so confused.
We're confused, but we have the app, and always follow the app. So, once I find the towel rentals, I will show you guys where that is. So, the towels, you can find them just by Frostbite Freddy's, which is a bar, which we'll investigate in a little bit. But she's just tucked up round there. If you're staying at a Disney resort, you don't have to pay for your towels, just as an FYI. Okay, we're here.
Don't need to see this.
Oh. So we're going to do a lap because obviously we haven't been here and we don't really know what's happening. So we're just going to kind of lap here, check it out, see what's happening, and then we're going to take you guys along. I've got my waterproof phone case, and we're just going to have some fun for a couple of hours. Buzzing. Ah.
Fun fact, if you're staying on a Disney property, whether it's value or top end, they are offering free water park tickets
On the day of arrival, so the day you check in is when it's valid for.
Yeah, so I mean that's a nice touch because this has got 78 on the gate.
Yeah.
And we paid like almost double that for the hotel. So realistically the hotel was half price because you add this into it, or two of us in girl math, you work it out.
I love that you're learning girl math. Disney math. Disney math, ladies and gentlemen. He is getting there. Now we're just gonna have a chill. Alright, we're going in a cave. It's taken us on a mystery tour. I've heard rumours that this water is actually ice cold, as in to replicate that it's supposed to be ice water. We'll send Sean. Here he goes. Oh! That is brisk. That is brisk. Oh no. Stop. Let's see if we can get a ring out the way. There we go. Whee! Oh, I feel like it's really hard. Ow. 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 Thanks, babe. Oh, this is so relaxing. So just for some general awareness, the lazy river is 2 feet 6 inches, or 0.76 meters, and that is relevant for the entirety of it. We appear to have reached a lot of floaty rings, so let's go see what Sean's doing. Hey babe, you got enough floaty rings?
I'm just shit, oh Jesus, yeah. We've just gone past Polar Bear Landing.
Polar Bear Landing.
So be sure to mark ring on or off.
Yep.
We have not done.
Which we haven't done. But there's Polar Bear Landing. There's some flumes. We're going to check them out in a little bit. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure where we got on this, so...
No, we'll make this much better. beer.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, we move.
We move. I'm sure we can find a beer. Oh my goodness, guys, the sun might be coming out for the first time since we arrived yesterday. So fingers crossed, because it's been a bit drizzly, but that obviously doesn't stop us. We will carry on as normal. Rain is just rain. Oh, guys, what is this? Oh, so cute. How adorable is this? Oh, so relaxing. Choo! So good. Alright, so I've now taken my shirt off because I've got my cozy on. Originally we were going to walk around, but then we got distracted by the lazy river and now my shirt's wet. So I'm just going to leave that dry. The sun is slowly trying to come out. So fingers crossed. We're going to head and check out the chairlift.
It's going to be interesting because obviously I'm very petrified of heights.
We'll see how this goes.
Go, shall we?
Alright. So here we go. Oh wow, this is so pretty.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Speaking of terror, how did you find that?
Fun. Don't like cable cars.
Okay.
I don't like heights.
So skiing is not for us then?
No, I suppose you would get to go and ski.
Okay.
It's lovely.
So while we're up here, we've also spotted an exhibition of mist. Oh my goodness!
I am going backwards and I am not a fan. Oh, into a lazy river. That's much more much.
So just taking a look at the directory. Obviously their slides and attractions are labelled out much similarly to how it would be if you went skiing. So you've got green slopes, which are more gentle, purple slopes, and then red slope, obviously being their most thrilling.
So we had just done that.
Yeah, so we've just come down this one here, which Sean gracefully demonstrated. So I think we'll go check out.
I think we should do Summit Plummet.
No.
No?
Which one is?
Oh
no, wait! I've gone rogue with
to,
my explanations. I think.
let's go to Toboggan Races, number 9. It's a max slider. So number 9 is that one there.
Yeah. Or the 10 looks nice.
Yeah, we'll go over there and we'll have a look.
Yeah. We're gonna investigate, team. We're gonna investigate. So just come across Avalanche. Obviously, it's pay on Avalanche. Just to give you guys some rough idea of pricing. I personally think Blizzard Beach is really reasonably priced. It's obviously, yeah, I mean this is in dollars, so after conversion it's really not that bad.
Sorry, they are fit as well.
Yeah, I'd say it's cheaper than an average, I guess. Merlin Park would be my first hit in England. So yeah, that's good. They've also got obviously refillable drinks and things like that. You can see some of the cute cups up there in the corner. So I'm actually going to not go to Avalanche. I'm going to go to Hot Hut, which is on the other side of the wave pool. So we're going to bob our way through the wave pool so we can check that out and take you guys. And I am going to get myself a Mickey pretzel and cheese. I think it was $7.
Yeah, $7.99.
$7.99. Yeah, so let's go. Oh yeah, check this out. So beautiful. And honestly, it's February currently when we're here, and this is heated so beautifully. Now the sun is out, so we are on to an absolute win. This is a man who is ready to race me, I think, looking at it. I look great. So we went in the wave pool. I got way too overexcited, forgot I was 5'3", basically nearly drowned. It was a great time. Still super safe, still super fun. But we have stopped and got ourselves some beer in some keep cups. These are actually really nice, and if you get the keep cups, then your refills are only $8 on the beer.
$14 for the beer with the cup, and then $8 with the keep cup. Sorry, it saves us $6. So really, if you get 2 beers, you then got one for free because the £6 price difference. Go math again. Look, I am on it. I'm on a Disney math. I don't think that works out, but we're going with it now.
I need to sort this out. So obviously we only came for like a really brief period of time, so the vlog isn't going to be the most expensive thing you've ever seen. We'll definitely be returning.
Yeah. The thing is, it's just a 4 because obviously off season at the moment. So it's just a 4.
Yeah.
But we got here 1, 2-ish. So they can cut them out.
Yeah,
so
no,
we've done
definitely.
a few slides, done the cable car thing.
Yeah.
There's plenty of pools. There's probably still bits in that we haven't actually really seen and discovered, but it's nice.
No, like we've had a really nice afternoon. Obviously, it isn't the warmest of weathers either, so it's lovely, and the water's heated.
Yeah, it's had spells of sunshine. Where you're like, oh, that's really nice, and then you get kind of now. It's not cold. It's not unpleasant, but you wouldn't want to do like an 8-hour day.
Yeah.
In it, 2 hours, 3 hours are probably a sufficient amount of time for this.
Yeah, in this weather, in this climate, 100%. Could I do this if it was all day and it was 38 degrees? 100% would have done so well having this back in May when we were last here. Also, I would love to do like the night events here where all the characters and everyone come out. That'd be really cool.
But the real question is, obviously we're going for it to be in Disney Resort. Yeah. Would you pay £74 a day for it?
Do you know, I think I would.
I only had 2 hours.
I think I would. Yeah. Because obviously I know in England you get one included half the time. With attraction tickets and things like that, you get them included quite often. So yeah, I think if you were like a family of 4, maybe not, because that is
$300,
which is a lot. But yeah, I mean, I would. If you were here on holiday, I would say pool days are so important. Then relaxing days are so important, especially when we're doing like when us Brits come over and we do it like 2 weeks at a time, and it's park to park. Yeah. Like all the time, constant. You need those breaks. So I definitely recommend either Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon for that.
That's what saying, wasn't he? That they're giving these out because they don't want the pools to be overrun so much. Yeah. So you can either do this or pool days. I think people are realising now that in the middle of the summer it is hot and you do need your pool days. So that's why Disney are now offering this and or a pool. So was it this? No, it was
this or Typhoon Lagoon. It depends on obviously seasonally which is open. This year, interestingly, both of these are open at the same time. They overlap for about a month, I think it is. But we're not leaving just yet. I'm going to take you and show you the shop. And take you and show you the shop and all the little bits around there. And then we're going to play some golf as well, but you'll see that in a separate video. Once I've uploaded that, or if I've uploaded it already, it will be in the link below. So I'm going to try and fix my eyes as well, because I'm giving panda. But yeah, I've really enjoyed my time here.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the main eateries here is A Lot of Water Lodge, and the food looks so good. I'm gonna head in and show you guys some prices. Personally, I don't think Blizzard Beach is badly priced at all. Just show you up here. So you can see the foods here. And I rate this. I rate this pricing. I think this is really good pricing. I actually think this is actually quite cheap for Disney. Obviously as well, you can see here. Yeah. Okay, so I have got changed to get a bit warmer.
Show's over. T-shirt's back on.
Yeah. We are gonna head to Beach House, which is the shop here. It looks good. I may have had a sneaky look without you guys earlier just because I wanted to eye up some merch. But yeah, let's head in. I'm going to show you some stuff, show you some pricing. Obviously you're going to have like generic Disney stuff, but then they also have their own kind of stuff for just Blizzard Beach specifically. And he's seen a Lightning McQueen tower and he is gone. So this is what I had my eye on. I'm actually in love with this, and it's got all the different slides and like drops and things on it. I kind of like this, but they've also got some really great merch. And all of these are waterproof, which I love. I think this is such a unique and clever idea. Then they've got like their hats. You've got your little Mickey Blizzard Beach hat over here for the sunny days. They do sell waterproof cases as well. And then they do have some Typhoon Lagoon merch, which I find quite interesting, considering that's not where we are. But I suppose I do get it. It's both the water parks. Sean has spotted something, so I'm just going to take you along with me.
So it's this building straight in front of us. You just gotta walk around on the left-hand side.
Thank you.
So you can get some beach towels here at $34.99. It's not 100%. They've got so much swimming merch, obviously not Disney branded. They've got Roxy and different brands that have obviously collabed with them on this. Right, why do I need this? That is the best thing I've ever seen. Mine? Okay, so I was going to get a shirt, and then I was like, you know what? We're literally going to a Disney resort and we're doing Disney tomorrow, and I'm going to spend money in there. So I got myself a Blizzard Beach magnet. If you've been to our house or you know us personally, you know that I have hundreds of magnets. So yeah, I grabbed this. I love it. Again, it's the same print as the shirt, so I think it's going to be used and seen a bit more than my shirt would have been. So this was a wise investment. That's what I'm running with, guys. Let's go with that, because Sean is not here to judge me. So yeah, so much fun. Magnet. So that is a wrap on a very short and sweet vlog from us from Blizzard Beach. Obviously we were only there 2 hours, so we tried to squeeze as much in as we could. Yeah. We are now going to head to the golf, but this will be covered in a separate video. I will link in the description once it's released. But yeah, really enjoy Blizzard Beach. We have said that every trip now we're going to prioritise doing at least one of the water parks, because we feel like we slept on them a bit and focused on the parks. But yeah, it's definitely a must.
I think for me, Blizzard Beach is a firm handshake.
Yeah, firm handshake.
Done well there.
I would give you a handshake, but I bought a magnet. So.
But no, it's good. And I know it's all, people come here for parks and parks and parks and parks and parks and parks and parks. But that's just as fun.
Yeah.
That is just as fun.
Go to a water park, have some fun.
Yeah, and then the fact it's included in the hotel stay, definitely worth a visit. Even if we do, just a couple of hours to.
I feel very relaxed.
Go again. Yeah.
I feel very relaxed.
Yeah, that's good.
We will see you soon.